Yoga can help alleviate acid reflux symptoms by reducing stress, improving digestion, strengthening core muscles, and enhancing gut health. Here are a few asanas and poses for acid reflux.
We're going to come into camel pose or Ustrasana. So coming back into Vajrasana and hips going up. Okay, from here we're going to spin one hand and then the other so that the hands are holding the heels. Allow your head and neck to drop down and then push forward with your hips. Allow your head to hang back, and this is essentially working on the ovaries for women. Any of the tension that you've built up here, you can allow it to be released. Consciously allow your hips to be pushed out for 5, 4, remembering to breathe, for 3, last little breath here, and for 1. Slowly with control, don't whip out of it. Chin comes back into your chest as you slowly lower it back down into Vajrasana.
Focus on long exhale. Now keep the knees close to your chest. See if you can wrap your elbows around your knees. So you're giving yourself a nice tight hug here. Exhale, see if you can lift your forehead up towards the knee. Inhale, come down, Pawanmuktasana. Exhale, lift up. Inhale, down. If holding the elbows is too difficult, you can just use your palms. Exhale, lift up, stay here. Relax the shoulders, make sure you're not tensing the neck. Inhale, slowly bring your feet down to the mat and relax.
Vajrasana. In order to sit in Vajrasana, make sure that you are first sitting on your knees like this. Try to keep your knees together. Keep your feet together as well. Now slowly lower yourself down onto your heels, making sure that your buttocks are in contact with your heels. Now if that is difficult for you, you could always place a cushion or some kind of a support under your thighs. Once you have come down to this position, keep your back straight, place your palms lightly over your knees and relax and breathe for a few moments. Vajrasana is one of those few yoga postures which are allowed to be done immediately after your meals. This is a great asana for your digestion and also for your overall blood circulation. So make sure to practice this a few times every day.
Setu Bandhasana. So when you do this, you're going to lift your hips up. Make sure you're not pushing the belly out. Your abdomen still stays drawn in. So keep the pelvis neutral, and as you inhale, press into the palms and feet. Lift up. You're stretching the belly here. Exhale. Keep your belly drawn in even as you come down. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale.
Now from here, you can keep the right knee in towards your chest and release the left leg onto the mat. We'll end with a supine twist. Take your left hand to the outside of your right knee and slowly guide the right knee over to the left side. As you do that, open up the right hand and gaze over your right shoulder. Using your left hand, continue to push the right knee down towards the mat. You want to think of increasing the space between your right armpit and your right hip. So plant that right shoulder blade down. Don't let it lift off the mat. 3. Breathe into the spine. 2. Keep the face soft. 1. Come back to center. Hug the knee and release the right leg. Bring the left knee in. Use the right hand, place it on the outside of your left knee and take your left knee over to the right side. Extend your left arm out and gaze over your left shoulder. It's okay if your left knee does not reach the ground. What's important is that your left shoulder is down. It provides a stable anchor to help you twist deeper. 4, 3, breathe deeply. Focus on the exhales. 2 and 1. Slowly come back to center. Hug the left knee. And gently release your hands, release your legs. Hands about 6 inches away from the body, feet apart, rolled out to the sides. The back of your skull on the mat. Close your eyes. Feel the body getting heavy and relax here in Shavasana for as long as it serves you.